James and Charles rock the Kenyan slang Sheng in the most authentic way possible. Their swag and style of delivery brings forth stories from the hoods of Nairobi in a way they only can. They're entrepreneurs, and their show Sheng Talk showcases their multifaceted talent. So I just got word from the Sheng Talk crew that they are ready for me. I hear this mat is insane. Here's the thing. If you're in Kenya, you have to ride in a matatu, okay? This is it's the best experience ever. Think about this. Amazing graffiti, big screens, the music, oh my goodness, and the design, the overall design, it just makes a matatu ride more than a ride. It's an experience. So I hope that you're ready for this experience, because I get the feeling that this matatu ride is gonna be one that you're gonna remember. Let's go check them out. This mat is called Notorious, so obviously that's why there's so much Notorious BIG artwork all over the place. And by the way, shout outs to all the graffiti artists. These guys do a superb job. Ebuni Chanue, tell me a little bit more about you. I want to get to know a little bit more about what you guys are about, the whole Sheng vibe. So tell me, niambie a little bit more about you.
So Gina, my name is Charles Kariuki, aka Chale Slim. Chale Slim is a word that people used to tease me about, like I was so skinny in high school. Nikasema I'll make this my stage name because I didn't have a name. I am a writer, rapper, actor, TV presenter, style enthusiast, entrepreneur.
I was checking the first thing I noticed. I was like, hey, Lion King.
We custom make all of our clothing. Yeah, we source them around, tunaendaga ka thrifting, Gikomba somewhere, then this is what comes out.
Me, I'm a businessman.
So what kind of businesses?
So I own a company called Lakota Leather Works. We make leather products. I'm also a farmer. I also have a cereals shop. And apart from that, I'm involved with the whole Sheng Talk show. And as we just love the culture, this is how we grew up. We grew up like doing all these things. But what we used to watch on TV was not a representation of what we were living. So we just decided, let's film what we normally do.
Kang wazito, karibu Joshua ingine mzuka. Jina hapa ni Chale Slim, Sheng Talk matatu edition round ingine mzee, na ukitucheki hapa Jo Buda najua unaona tuko WhatsApp pia usio.
Yeah, we're about to vibe with the driver and to scare Joe how the experience is, how driving for this hot route is, how see.
Kwanza naitwa Frank, pero naitwa Chooks. Ino tumechimba nao. Ni fiti kazi ya materials wao wanaangaliaga ni kama ati ni kazi chafu, lakini wananekia dish kwa meza.
Na lichiki mazee ulikuwa unafanya ma stunts hapo mazee, acrobatics. Are you not afraid of death?
It's all about courage. Ni courage peke yake, but unajua pia unaangalia speed ya gari venye na move. Kama iko na speed ya juu unacheza chini. Confidence bana. Confidence peke yake.
Other mats have different things, so gotta find out a couple of things from these guys. So, Aliki, may I have a question? What is your favorite thing about mats?
Whoa, graphics, music system, screens, almost everything.
Have you ever seen like graffiti or mat of an artist that really struck like, man, that looks so effing cool?
Yeah.
Which artist was it?
I've seen so many artists.
Which one was your favorite?
Big Man, Jay-Z.
Oh, Jay-Z. Oh yeah, Jay-Z. You're a big Jay-Z fan?
Yeah, I'm a Jay-Z fan.
Kuna matime ushaipanda mat lakini hizo ngoma zikujaa, so unataka ageuze muziki, play something different. Ushaiko kwa hiyo situation?
Yeah, nishaikuwa kwa hiyo situation.
So man, I can honestly live in a mat, especially if it's this comfortable. Man, I find myself just chilling.